Hello, back with a quick one. Basically, I've made his idle animation, well, the beginnings of an idle animation. Here we go. It's not perfect, but let's be honest, it gets the job done at the moment. Might extend it, because at the moment it's just the 1 second. I might have it loop a few times and then, I'm not sure, maybe he'll take his gun off or something and chuck it in the air, I'm not sure. But yeah, these little dead eyes might need to do something with those, but looks really weird from that position. So there you go. It's odd actually from the front. It looks bizarre, but yeah, that's alright. It's really weird to be moved, to be honest. That looks alright. Cool. Well, that's the update. And yeah, actually, well, I've got it. This is what's in the timeline. There also needs to be a jump added to that. But yeah, till I've done something else, I suppose.